We'll see the conversation an afternoon at the park. What is the situation? Every year, a roster run, a country music band holds a concert at Silverado Park. Alex and his two friends are heading toward the park to attend the concert. So Alex, hey Jane, John, there is a musical concert in the park. Do you want to go see the band play? I am done with my homework. I can go. Me too, let's go. Hey, look at the sport car. Isn't it neat? That is exactly the kind of car that I want once I get a good job. I bet it is very fast. I want mine to be red though. Keep on dreaming, Alex. That car costs a fortune. It does not hurt to see high expectations. Maybe one day I'll make a lot of money and I might surprise you. Talking about cars, why is the traffic so heavy today? People are probably heading toward the park for the concert. The band does play pretty good music. Yes, it does. For the last 3 years, I have never missed the concert. I have always arranged my schedule so that I could attend the event once the band was in town. How long ago did the band start playing at our park? I think it started this tradition 5 years ago before you moved into our neighborhood. Every year it always arrives the first week of June to play for the whole week. You will enjoy this evening, John. There will be good country music, a lot of stomping around, and definitely a lot of hollering. It sounds like fun. My favorite is rock and roll music. However, I have to say that country melodies can be quite enticing. I can listen to them all the day long. John, what kind of music do you like? Oh, I like all kinds of music as long as it is not hard rock. Oh, look at the number of people who have already shown up for the concert. Good thing that we are here already. Jane, where do you want to sit? In the shade or in the sun? In the shade, please. I have been in the sun too much lately. There is a food stand over there. Do you want anything? Do you too want anything? Nothing for me, thanks. I already have my bottle of water. I want a bag of chips and a soda. Are you sure you do not want any chips, Jane? I am quite sure. Besides, my mother is cooking a good steak dinner and I want to save my appetite. Jane, you are so lucky to have such a good cook for a mother. John, you have to taste her cream cakes one of these days. You cannot find better cream cakes anywhere in this town. I know we will have cream cake for dessert this evening. I will save you a piece if you want, John. I always like cake, so please save me a piece. Thanks, Jane. How about you, Alex? A piece of cake for you too? You know, I will say yes to a piece of your mother's cream cake any day. Okay, I will save 2 pieces of cream cake for both of you tonight. We can meet at the cafeteria at lunchtime tomorrow and I'll give you them to you. Alex, you better get your chips and soda now if you still want them. It is almost 3 p.m. and the concert is about to start. For the last time, do you guys want anything? I am sure I do not want anything, Alex. I am doing fine. Me neither, Alex. Okay, save me a seat. I will be right back. So this is your conversation. ఇందులో exercises చూడండి. First one conversation practice. Second one question answer practice. Did you see that beautiful car? Yes, I sure did. So go through each and every question and answer. Check out all the questions and answers. Look at the grammar review. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns without changing the meaning of the sentence and may play the same roles as nouns in the sentence. Pronouns are handy because they eliminate the need to repeat words. Like nouns, pronouns can be either singular or plural. సో ఇక్కడ ప్రొనౌన్స్ గురించి మనకి గ్రామర్ రివ్యూ ఉంది, ఒకసారి మొత్తం రిఫర్ చేయండి. మనం గ్రామర్ పార్ట్లో ఎలాగో డిస్కస్ చేస్తాము, బట్ కొత్తగా ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే ప్రతి కాన్వర్జేషన్తో పాటు కొంత గ్రామర్ రివ్యూ ఇస్తున్నాను, చెక్ చేసుకోండి. సో సింగులర్ అండ్ ప్లూరల్, ఐ, వి, యూ, హీ, షీ, దే, ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్, సెకండ్ పర్సన్ అండ్ థర్డ్ పర్సన్. జస్ట్ ఒక రివ్యూ అంతే. గ్రామర్ అనేది ఇక్కడ అంటే కాన్వర్జేషన్లో రివ్యూ చేస్తున్నాం అంతవరకే. గ్రామర్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ మనం సపరేట్గా యూనిట్స్ వస్తుంటాయి, గ్రామర్ యూనిట్ 1, పార్ట్ 1, పార్ట్ 2 అని, అక్కడ కంప్లీట్గా చెక్ చేద్దాం. Go through each and everything clearly.